Namaskar. Now it is time to think about homeopathic part 4. In today's critical time, it is very important and necessary to think about homeopathy because homeopathic medicine works on the particular symptom of body and cures the body immediately if the proper medicine of same symptom is used and has no side effects. Here is a homeopathic medicine named Ipecac, which is very useful in cough, chronic asthma, and in mucus lining of respiratory organ, and also in pneumonia. Its general symptom is nausea and badly headache, but it can be ignored if other symptoms are matched. I have read the symptom of Ipecac from the book Leaders in Homeopathic Therapeutics. So please listen what the homeopathic expert says. Ipecac affects the mucus lining of the respiratory organs almost as prominently as it does that of the alimentary tract. There is a great accumulation of mucus which loads up the air cells and bronchitis until there seems to be great danger of suffocation. Note the symptoms. Violent degree of dyspepsia with drizzling and great weight and anxiety about the prescordia. Threaten suffocation from accumulation of mucus. This excessive accumulation of mucus in the air passages seems to excite spasm like a foreign body, and asthma or spasmodic cough or both together ensure, but the asthmatic cough and asthma do not seem to all depend upon accumulation of mucus. For Ipecac is often our best remedy in the first stage of both asthma and whooping cough, before the stage when the mucus is present. Again, suffocating cough, whereby the child becomes quite stiff and blue in the face. Whooping cough with nosebleed, bleeding from the mouth, vomiting, loses breath, turns pale or blue and becomes rigid. Infinite pneumonia with chest loaded with mucus, rapid whistling, respiration, surface blue, face pale, finds a very effectively remedy in Ipecac. Old people with emphysema from chronic asthma are also increased by Ipecac, so that we might narrow down the respiratory troubles in two conditions. Excessive accumulation of mucus characterized, and second, spasm was the characteristic feature. Dhanyavad. Please consult your homeopathic doctor before use. Thanks.